bicameral conference with the senators and congressmen. Pasok yung sinabi ko sa when we meet last week, no, sa Misibis. Okay, naipasok lahat, additional of 8 billion. Nauna yung 8 billion sa HGAB. Now, naipasok ulit namin another 8 billion. That's 16 billion. So, total yung buong 350 pesos. Yung 7.5 na nare-receive ng CAFCO, magkakaroon sila more or less dagdag na 10,500. So that's more than double of their salary.
Yes, sir.
Then the President will approve the budget more or less December 20. So once approve yan, starting next year, meron ng allocation ng ating mga kasundaluhan ng 350 pesos a day na subsistence allowance.
Maraming salamat po, sir. Makakarating po sila. I'll show the video to all our staff and mga sundalo po dito sa Sorpong, sir.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Thank you for your service. Kami here to support the AFP, the milkmen in uniform. So, yung mga black propaganda dyan na we are close with the left, hindi totoo yan. No? Gawa-gawa nila yan para lang, alam mo na, yung mga budol-budol dyan.
Please, kindly convey to the entire AFP, to our men and women in uniform, that as we committed, that the subsistence daily allowance from 150 to 350 has not only been affirmed but has been approved. And regardless of whatever they heard, that's all fake news. Basta nagsalita tayo when we speak. I as the Speaker and the House, when we speak, we mean it and we will always deliver. You are top priority, sir. Please tell the men and women in the AFP, top priority po kayo, and we are fully committed to support all of you and to keep your morale high and to always take care of you. More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them.